Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Azure CLI on your Windows machine using PowerShell. So let's dive in. First, what is the Azure CLI? Simply put, it's a command line tool that allows you to manage your Azure resources, whether you're creating virtual machines, managing storage accounts, or deploying web apps. You can do it all through Azure CLI right from your terminal. Now, before we start installing, here's what you need. You'll need a Windows computer with an Intel or AMD processor. You must have administrative access on your computer, and of course, PowerShell or any other command line interface installed. That's it. Simple, right? Let's get to the installation part. First, go ahead and open PowerShell as an administrator. Next, we are going to run a command that downloads and installs the Azure CLI automatically for you. So I'm going to paste this command into PowerShell. Now, don't worry, I'm going to put this command in the video description, so I'll press enter. This will install the Azure CLI in the background, so you don't have to worry about downloading and running anything manually. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a minute or two. All right, it is done. There's no prompt that says that the installation is done. Let me close the PowerShell window and open it again. But we want to make sure everything installed correctly. So to check the version of Azure CLI you just installed, type AZ ---- version, press enter. So if everything went smoothly, you should see the version pop up. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Azure CLI. And that's it, you're now all set to start managing your Azure resources directly from your terminal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you in the next video.